This 2017 Jeep Cherokee is brought to you by AutoExpress, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, Tigris Hark Multi-Air i4 inline 4-cylinder engine, and has 68,576 miles. Adventure awaits. Explore in our reliable 2017 Jeep Cherokee. Your next journey starts here. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.